Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you the speed up tricks on the Samsung Galaxy M56. Alright, so let's begin. So first thing I want to show you is in the developer settings. There are a few options that we want to change. So to get access into the developer options, simply open up your settings first. Now scroll down into the bottom and click on About Phone. Now click on Software Information, and in here we need to tap on the build number a few times. So that is what I'm going to do now, just like that. Now we need to confirm by drawing our pattern. Now click on OK. We can see on the screen that developer mode has been enabled. Now we need to get back and now find the developer options. They are below About Phone. Now we need to scroll down and change a few options. I'm gonna show you which one specifically. Okay, so in here we have the window animation scale, transition animation scale, and the animator duration scale. Defaultly, as you can see, they are set on 1x, all of them. And we want to change the animation scale into 0.5 or on off. It is completely up to you. In my case, I'm gonna simply select it on 0.5 to boost the performance of my device. Now we can also scroll a little bit more, and in here under the apps, you can see it right in here, we have a background process limit. Defaultly we of course have standard limit, but to improve the performance we can select at most 3 processes or at most 4. So I'm gonna select at most 3. Now we can exit the developer settings. From here we can go straight into the apps. Under the Samsung app settings, I wonder if we have something to do. No, sorry, not in here, my bad. Simply, when we have the list of our apps, as you can see in my case, I have 107 apps. When we have the apps that we are not currently using, we can simply uninstall them from here. So, for example, of course, don't try to uninstall the system apps, only the apps that you have downloaded from the Play Store. Yeah, the apps that you have downloaded from the Play Store. So, for example, the WhatsApp. If you are not using it, simply you can click it. You can click on it, and in here you can uninstall it by clicking on that icon. But there's also the second method. You can on your home screen you can hold on the icon, and in here you have also a option to uninstall the app, as you can see. And for example, it's same with Facebook. So that's what you can do in the apps. And now we can go into the device care. As you can see, everything is great for now. We don't need to perform any action. But let's begin with the storage. Simply click on that. Now we can see how many internal storage we have left and how much is taken. So as you can see, currently we are using only 12%. In here we have also the recycle bin. Simply click on that, and in here we can read that we can free up space by deleting files from the recycle bin in your apps. So we have, for example, the gallery. We can click on that and delete it, and that's how we get some free space. Also, under the duplicate files, if you have something in here, you can simply also uninstall it. Now let's open up the storage. No, sorry, the memory, my bad. As you can see, we have 3.5 gigabytes from 8 gigabytes used. And in here we can free up memory by stopping background apps. So in here we have the list of the apps and the megabytes that we will free up when we perform that action. So simply click on cleanup. Okay, And now it's done. Now we get some free space. Below we also have the auto optimization and the auto restart. So performing a simple restart of your device is always good for its health and its speed. For example, when your phone is lagging or not working properly or gets frozen from time to time, you can perform a simple restart. And in here we can enable to restart automatically when performance issues are detected. You can read about it right in here, or we can click on also enable restart on schedule. So in here we have the days of the week, and below we have the time. And in here you can simply select the days on which you want your phone to be restarted. So now I have selected the Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. And now let's select the time. For example, let it be 11 p.m. Maybe not on all of those 3 days, but each Saturday on 11 p.m. the phone will be automatically restarted. It's also a cool feature because you don't need to remember about that process. You can simply select it on the schedule, and it will be done automatically. And of course, we can always perform the restart manually. To do it, we need to open up the power menu. To do it, we need to hold the power button for around 3 seconds, 3 to 5 seconds, something like that. Oh, it doesn't want to launch. Let's try again. Oh, sorry, my bad. The power button and the volume down button. It's my bad. And just like that. And in here, to restart your phone, simply click on that green icon, then tap again, and then your screen will go black, and within a few seconds the phone will be automatically turned on back again and ready to use. Now let's get back into the settings. Now we have the software update. Always make sure that you are using the latest version of your software. You can in here click on download and install. And in here, as you can see, I have a possible update. I have downloaded 35% of it currently. In my case, I just need to tap on resume update. But if you have a possibility to update your software, simply click on that, and it will be good. Simply wait until the process is finished, and then follow the instruction on the screen. And then you will have to restart your device, and after that your phone will be ready to use. Okay. And also, if you are interested in that, you can also download some other cleaning apps from the Play Store. You can simply type the cleaner and download those apps and use them as an extra feature if you are interested in that. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.